Today we are going to speak about the correct sitting position, in which we have enough flexibility to reach all the keys, to avoid the tensions and create a beautiful sound. First of all, the best thing to have is an adjustable seat. If you don't have any, you can use some pillows. But believe me, it's not the best solution. The forearm is parallel to the floor. This angle should be slightly more than a right angle. If it's not the case, adjust your seat to get the right height and make sure your seating is not too close and not too far away from the keys. Your elbow and arm should be able to fall freely from the shoulder. You should be also sitting far enough forward on your seat. It will allow you to move your torso but still feel stable. Make sure there is enough space between your elbows and the body. Your hands should be forming an arc on the keys. Your fingers should not strike the keys flatly. Pay attention that your wrists are in line with the rest of your arm. Avoid doing this or that. You should not only feel comfortable, you should also look comfortable. One day you might be performing, and then not only the correct technique and the beautiful sound matters, but also your appearance. You shouldn't look stressed while playing the piano. Keep it in mind even if you have just started to play the piano.